I spent $100 on blind boxes. Let's open them up. Today we have the Sanrio character Fox Island boxes. I got the last 5 of these and I'm so excited, and I really hope that we don't get duplicates because I didn't get a full case. But here are the characters. Obviously, we have My Melody, Hello Kitty, Pom Pom Purin, Pachaco, Cinnamoroll, and my favorite, Corona. Duh. Without further ado, let's get into these boxes. Oh my gosh. She is so cute. Oh my gosh. I don't like Cinnamoroll, but this is so adorable. And it has a little bell on the front. That is so cute. And then her little tail. Oh my gosh. How cute. Okay, we're on to the next one. I'm so hopeful for Hiromi or something. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is Pachaco. He is so cute. Once again, I'm not a huge Pachaco fan, but he's so adorable. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see, but his eyes are like, they have little hearts inside of them. How cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so far these are all really cute. Okay, now that we got the 2 out of the 3 out of the way that I don't want, I really hope this is one of the ones that I want. Because if it's not, I'm going to start losing hope because I only have 5 of these. Uh-oh. Oh, you guys, it's crazy! Oh, you've gotta be kidding me. You've gotta be kidding me. They're suffocating her. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love her so much. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Ugh.